After you take the wheel off, open the bleeder. You need to come behind the caliper and loosen up this bolt here on the top. You need a 1/2 inch socket. Down here is another bolt that you have to remove, 1/2 inch. Unscrew the top bolt. When you get the top bolt out, the caliper should come off. Just work it off. Make sure you have something to set it on so you don't put stress on the brake line. Now here's the brake pads. Just pull them off. There they are. As you can see, there's a wear mark here. It's not quite there. This old pad still has some life left. I could just put it back in and keep using it, and then there's the new one. See, it's a lot thicker. Just by eyeing this, it looks like the old pad has about 25% of the material left. So you're going to remove the caliper guide pins. There's one here, and then there's one down there. After you grease the guide pin, put it back in. See? Make sure that it moves back and forth easily. See? When you press it in, it comes back out. Make sure that these rubber boots aren't damaged. If they're damaged, you have to get new ones. Insert the lower guide pin. We're going to clean this area off here. Put some of the brake lubricant there. Same thing up here. Get your brake pad and put it in there. Same thing in the back. Put the grease on those areas where the pad's gonna go. Install the rear pad. Next, we need to push these pistons back in. Try to clean it off a little bit. Take an old brake pad and put it in there. And you need a C-clamp like this. Let's see if it'll fit now. I pressed them again. Now it's back on. And you're going to take the two bolts and put them back in. Don't tighten them until you have them both in, because you're going to have to maneuver it to get the bolt to go in. Okay, it looks like it's the same as the old one. I believe the old one is a 3/8, based on what I could tell, even though it was rounded. And you don't need to make it real tight.